In a world where the pandemic made conference calls the new thing, tech projects turning into a mess is easier than ever. But something steps up to challenge the mess.
Welcome guys, let's discuss our new project with everyone now working from home. I prefer to use Kanban, but maybe it's not the ideal in this situation. Can you share your thoughts about it?
Of course, Henrique. It's very easy to do. I was thinking here drinking my tea. I think I have a very clever solution for it. It calls spreadsheets. Have you heard about it? They are so dynamic. It's so incredible the things that we can do there. I think it's gonna be a very good tool for this. Let's try.
Okay, I can work with spreadsheets. And how about you, June? Can you develop the tasks using the spreadsheets to control all of your tasks?
I know.
June? Well, yeah, it looks like we don't have a tester in this project anymore. Let's move on. Hi, Jaime. Do you have a different idea of what we can do?
What about a calendar view? I have like many tasks and I just need a clear view of my time in the project.
Come on, guys. We need something better. As Jaime said, the calendar view. We need something new. We need something that is easy to use. I cannot go to the board today. Come on, guys. I cannot go to the board today to show a kanban or a spreadsheet. Doesn't even come with a spreadsheet. Please, I need something quick. I need something innovative. I need something that I can do it very quickly. I have a lot of things to do. You know, guys, I'm very busy. Come on, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time doing spreadsheets. We need to report things easily. Everybody needs to understand, what can I use? Come on, we need this for today.
Mr. Sanches, could you help us here? In your experience, what should we do?
It's been 35 years with projects and every time is the same. People don't want to use the same tool.
Thank you, Mr. Sanches. Hearing this is not very exciting, but it is what it is. A few months ago, I had an idea for this project, but I don't know if it works. I was discussing this with Renan, and maybe he can give us more details. Hey Renan, now it's your time to share your thoughts here.
Oh my god, what just happened? Oh, hey guys, how are you doing?
You just...
Yeah, I don't know. I just came back from the future.
Do you have news from the future?
Oh yeah, of course I have news. You know what? Remember one day we were discussing that, it's kind of complicated to run projects. I mean, you have so many options and so many ways of, looking at data and trying to figure out where to assign things and, priority and all that. Guess what? This is all gone in the future.
What? Don't you need to choose?
Oh yeah, no, you don't have to choose any options anymore. There is only one available.
And do you have the name of that?
Yeah, the name? Oh, yeah, of course. It was something kind of messy for projects and name. Oh, it said, no, wait, it's coming up. No project mess. Ha! Yeah, that's the name.
You mean those ideas that we talked about months ago? Well, for you, years ago, right?
Yeah. And I heard that was launched this year. Can you believe that? So we are about to change the world. Yeah, it's just gonna be like one app. Everything you can do, run your entire project. No mess anymore. Come on, guys. And you know what? I think I'm gonna take off now and go back to the future. It's kind of messy around here nowadays. See you guys.
What the... None of this makes sense. I have so many questions about everything. But it's 2020. Let's do this. Okay, the basic idea is to manage your tasks using different views. So doesn't matter what you prefer. Here you always have an option. The first things you should do is to create the projects and the users here inside the setup, users and projects. Then you can go to the tasks page and create your tasks. Let's see a small example to understand the capability of the NPM project. Okay, let's create here simple task. That's the other one. Made hours, 8 hours. Okay, let's see a little more. So 24 hours. The due date is calculated using the estimate hours. So it's easy. The progress and what is the priority of these tasks. Status, backlog to do, in progress, done and accepted. And user. Okay, let's save it. You also can create subtasks using here. Same project, right? Here, 4 hours. Let's see. Same user. Okay. A different task. Same project. Okay, 12. Okay, and here you have filters. Different filters here. And you can create also your own filter using a little advanced option. You can use conditions, equals, and put your value. Okay. All the tasks you can be visualized in scheduler. Your tasks shows here as an appointment. And in kanban page, you can move the task between the phase or status, and also you can update the progress of the tasks, right? Here you can see a backlog. And finally, the Gantt view gives you your tasks, shows as a view chart. So you can also create dependence between them. Let's see here. And you can move your progress between. Thank you very much. This is beta 01.5.
Alexa, do you know something that can keep my project simple?
Hi, Master. NPM, no project mess, looks like a powerful tool for project management. Should I download and install it right now?
Yes, sure.